What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm going to be out of town for a few days as I prepare to lay my mother-in-law to rest. But nevertheless, I got a jam-packed video for you guys. So do me a favor, please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I have the Fear and Greed Index pulled up. I told myself that I wanted to make sure that I give you certain type of indicators so that you can kind of just know where you're at on the journey, so that you know when a for real crash is coming, when a market is about to run, versus getting caught up in maybe a clickbait title or somebody telling you a recession is coming, but that stuff is really not happening. Okay, if you check out this Fear and Greed Index, okay, I showed you this when it was at 23, 24, and I told you that level means you're about to get an explosion. And that's when we just made a killing, okay? That's when the stocks is at a bottom or a support level, a critical level of support. And then from that level, guys, it ran higher. Okay, now we are from extreme fear, now we're over towards greed, sitting at 68, okay? Now, extreme greed is when the crash come, okay? So you got time, your stocks are still gonna go up, but they'll go up a little more slower because they're preparing to get ready to come back down. That's why your job on the journey is to be looking to lock in profit on things you have done your thing in, okay? But right now we're sitting at 68. 75 is the higher end of this range before we enter that 76 to 100 level range, okay? So when we get into extreme greed, I'm going to be really pounding the table like, hey, y'all gotta know we about to crash, or you need to take profit so you don't go down in your plays, okay? So I just want to put that on you guys so that you kind of know where you're at in the journey, where your stocks is at, so that you are not overstaying your welcome, guys. I don't worry about you making money. I worry about you not managing your risk, holding too long, and not understanding these little nuances to being great investors and actually building real wealth in the stock market, okay? Now today, guys, we getting back in our bag on a 15-minute chart. And again, I want to continue the teaching from Saturday to kind of show you some things you should see. You guys see this wick right here? Okay, that is a clue. All right, you guys see this wick right here? That is a clue. These things are trying to talk to you. They're trying to tell you and give you a sign or a signal, but you need to understand what message candlesticks are sending you, okay? But today's lesson is going to be about what we call, number one, move your stop, okay? We're talking about a stop loss, okay? I want to teach you guys what all of this means and how you got to start learning to crush the market. I'm gonna clear this out so you guys can see how you need to operate and be for real surgical, okay? So this wick up here, that equals a top. So that let us know that's where resistance is at, okay? We already knew it was there because it was right there as well. All right, so when this got rejected up here, it started to go down, all right? And so you might not catch the top, but you can catch 50%. Okay, this is the 50% mark of this big candle on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, the 15-minute is the holy grail if you don't know, okay, of what you want to be making your money off of. But nevertheless, at the 50% mark, that's your entry, okay? And so if you enter there, your stop loss goes up here, okay? But after you have this boom boom candle, then you have this boom boom candle, then you have this boom boom candle follow. Now, guys, you need to move your stop. So you're gonna come from here. That was your first stop. You're gonna now come down to here, okay? You're gonna move your stop from this level now down to this level. Let me clear this out because I told you we keep a clean chart over here, and I want you guys to see these things. Now your stop loss comes down to here, all right? As you let the play go down further, okay? And then, guys, you start going to start seeing the plays not coming back up. And so now you're looking to lock in profits either down here or at this level right here before repeating the process, okay? Now check it out, guys. Moving your stop on the journey is key. Yes, in terms of risk management, you need to always have a trading plan ready to go when you are going to jump into a trade. We're going to do this first thing tomorrow. We're going to knock it out the park. So make sure you're in the Discord first thing in the morning, okay? But check this out. When you enter a play, you need to that's why I say master your entries, okay? You need to know, all right, what was the level of resistance? What price was that associated with the premium, okay? And so then as you enter your play and then the play goes in your favor, you don't want your stop loss to be at a loss because you're in profit. So if it reverses, you don't want it to go all the way back up there and then knock you out and create a loss when you really were up. So this lesson today is called Move Your Stop. On the journey, as your play goes into profit, you move your stop loss so that you make sure you're capturing the gains and you're going with the flow of the play, okay? And so you don't do this until the play is down another 30%, 30 points, okay? And so if you got in at 100 and then it went down and now it's up to 130, okay? You can move it to 115 because you know it's not coming back to 115 or 100, okay? Now when it falls to 160, you can move it to 130 and you're constantly in profit. You're constantly managing your risk and you know you can have peace of mind letting it run. And if it run, guys, this is how you hit that big home run. And if it don't run and it comes in reverse backwards, all it does is stops you out for a 20, 30, 40% gain, okay? That is called Move Your Stop. I want you guys to add that to your arsenal and apply it this week on your journey, okay? If you can, if you have a play that's making a strong move up or down, all right? Really quickly, guys, prepare to make $1,000 on tomorrow by understanding these levels. Write this down, guys. I want you to write 453 for support. And your next level of support is 451 on the SPY. That's to the downside. We're currently sitting at 455. So if we go down, you should make money en route to 453, 451. Write this down. I want to see all you guys start the week with a bang, okay? At least $100. For my vets, this is an easy $1,000, okay? And to the upside, if we are able to go higher from here at 455, guys, we are going to go retest 456. That opens the door for us to go up to 458. And if we can successfully clear that level, don't rule out going to visit 460, okay? I want you to know those levels for tomorrow. Take what the market gives you. If we are up, you know where we're going, 458, 460, okay? If we are down, I want you to be looking for 453 and 451. Keep the game simple, knock these plays out the park, know the range, crush the range, okay? Now check this out. These are stocks I want on your watch list for this particular week, okay? Take a look at Microsoft. The ticker symbol on this one is MSFT, currently sitting at 377.41. On the week, they were up over 2.5%. They've been getting busy, okay? And so this play may make a nice move, but I want it on your radar so in case you play it, you already know we told you to look out for it in Sunday night's video, okay? This play is making new all-time highs. You guys see the debacle that it happened with the Sam Altman and OpenAI, the CEO, coming and going. It was unfazed by all of that. Keep your eye on Microsoft for this upcoming week and into December, okay? Any pullbacks equals an opportunity for you guys to buy the dip. And if you guys want to make quicker money, simply just buy a call option at support, okay? Check this one out. Tesla. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. We will knock this play out the park. But in terms of the levels, ticker symbol on this one is TSLA, sitting at 235.70 at the time of this. It was up 1% last week. But look at these levels, okay? Let's go through this. You see at the height, we had 242. And you see 243. That's a double top. Look what the double top created, guys. It took us all the way down here to 232. That was a $10, $11 move, okay? But we bounced off of this 232 and then 232. That was a double bottom, okay? Remember, double tops lead to a move down, double bottom leads to a move up. Learn these patterns, learn these behaviors of the market so you guys can quickly spot them and take full advantage of them, okay? This one bounced off of that, guys, and shot back to 238. That is going to be a level of resistance. So 235 is resistance, 238 is resistance, and 242 will be resistance, okay? So look for those levels to the upside. And look at this, guys. You got clear level of support to the downside, 232. Because Tesla is volatile, I want you guys to throw in 230, 229, and if you see it go below that, 226 is incoming, okay? Always have 3 levels of support. That's to the downside. Support equals down, okay? And 3 levels of resistance. Always know where your plays can go in both directions if you go and rock with me, because we make money in both directions, okay? Now check this one out, guys. We got NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. This one is back at a key level at 477. This is going to be a very critical level in terms of seeing if buyers step back in and push this back up from here, 477 to 500, or if we take a trip a little lower, okay? I don't care either way. I just want you to be mindful and have this on your watch list, because as the leader in chips and as the leader in terms of this AI movement and things of that nature, you want to be mindful of what NVIDIA has going on, okay? Don't sleep on this one. They were down 3%. Don't worry about that, guys. This is just a bunch of jucking and jiving for positioning with this one, okay? Watch it, observe it, see if support levels hold up, see if they fail, and then when they, or if they fail, your job is to simply see what level does it fall to next, okay? Let me know if you need me to break this play down for you. This is always easy money in the market, okay? And then check this one out, guys. I just want to put this on your radar. I just showed you the fear and greed index is at 68 now. From 23, extreme fear, now we're headed over to greed. Remember, I taught you guys, if you catch this down at these levels, this is easy 25, 30% moves, okay? And that's just going up 10 cent, 30 cent, $1, $2, that kind of thing. You will see it happen if this get back from 1591 to 1780. You're gonna be like, oh my God. Don't let it get to its level of $20 and $22 and $23. When it does that, guys, and you have been accumulating, being patient, being methodical, and being surgical, you're gonna quickly see, okay, now I'm correlating the fear and greed index. I'm understanding where the market is at and the cycles that we are going on, okay? You don't go up forever, you don't go down forever. Trying to position you guys properly so that you play this properly. This is not something you just sit around in and hold forever. But if you get in at the right levels, like down here, 16, 15, 17, 18, that little range, you take this to 23, you get out, you buy it back again when it comes down here, guys. Just putting this on your radar, you can let it come down a little further. Look at these levels down here. Okay, 1575, you might want to shoot for that level. Let's see some lower levels, 1561. You might want to shoot for that level. Always trying to get the lowest level or buy low, or simply, guys, just always be dollar cost averaging. Always be protecting your profits. When it gets up to the level, lock it in. When a bear market truly comes, I'm going to tell you guys, don't sell it at 23 because it's going to go to 46. Okay, that's just what this do. But you guys that's new, you haven't been in the market for more than 3 years, you don't know the little nuances of the game, okay? So just follow the daily teachings, trust the process, but more importantly, be patient and keep your emotions in check, okay? We will knock it out, we will get it in around here, okay? But listen, guys, I just want to put that on you. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.